Assalamualaikum guys, this is Abdul Karim. Today we are learning past continuous. Last time we discussed about the past simple. Now it's time to talk about past continuous. But before giving an information about that, you are requested to please subscribe my channel, share my video, like my video and watch till the end. Furthermore, I'm sharing my WhatsApp number. If you have got any confusion at any level, like the intermediate, advanced, the beginner, so you may send a message to me. I will definitely answer you, okay? But you are not supposed to make call. You are allowed to send a message like a voice message or the text message. Thank you so much. Now let's talk about its structure first. It's all about subject, was, verb ing and then object. Furthermore, for interrogative you need to place was or before subject. For negative you need to add not with was or. Where to use it? Last time we talked about and last time we learned about the present continuous. Simply the same structure, the same scenario, the same concept you can apply over here. How? I'm teaching you. Simply I was teaching you. I'm talking to you. Simply I was talking to you. She is cooking food. Simply she was cooking food. They are playing cricket. Simply they were playing cricket. Means it's so simple. If you have learned about the present continuous, it is so easy to understand the past continuous. Simply it is. Just use was, were instead of is or am. It would give the same sense. Means that something is happening right now continuously and something was happening in the past continuously. Whenever you talk about the continuous, any kind of tense, they are not permanent. The situation is not permanent over here. Okay, it is temporary. Furthermore, another structure I am telling you right now, which is very important to discuss to you, it's all about the story concept or the story background. For example, whenever you tell any story to anyone, it's all about the imaginary or it would be the true or whatever. You talk about like that. Actually, last time I went to Murray, where when I got up early in the morning, I saw birds were singing or the sun was rising. It was raining a lot. Means it was so beautiful weather. Means whenever you talk about the background of this story, which is not true or sometimes it is true or it is all about the imaginary, there you can use past continuous as well. Furthermore, with past simple, because past continuous is used a lot with past simple tense. For example, I was calling you, suddenly you called me. Past continuous and then past simple. Or I was going outside, suddenly you came my home. Means the past continuous with past simple. Means it is used a lot with past simple with past continuous. They have got the coordination, you may say. Furthermore, the polite request. Means there is a chance that other person would refuse you 80%, 90%, and it is very, very polite request. You use this structure by using wondering. How? I was wondering if you could help me. I was wondering if you could go with me. This is what. Or something you have planned. Like I was planning to go abroad. Suddenly I didn't get my passport or visa, and then I cancelled going there. But if these things or these structures or these concepts are making you confused, don't worry about that. Just stay with the present continuous. Like I am teaching you, I was teaching you. I am cooking, I was cooking. I am telling you, I was telling you. Simply it is. Furthermore, the rule which is being used while making the verb with ing, I am telling you right now, it is so simple. If you get or if any verb ends with e, then you need to remove e and then add ing. Or if any verb ends with ie, then you need to remove ie, add y and then ing. For example, lie, lying. Further, CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. If you find or if you get any verb which ends with CVC, then you have to double the last alphabet, like stop, S-T-O-P, P again, and then add ing, stopping. I hope you have liked my video. You are requested again, please subscribe my channel. Wait for my next video which is about to come. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.